Want to know the secret to stress-free moving? Let Eliminate Chaos handle everything. We can recommend one of our trusted movers. Pack your home in an organized fashion so that your belongings end up in the correct room on move day. Boxes will be labeled for their pre-established destination in your new home and will ensure that the most important boxes are loaded on the truck last, so they are unloaded first at your new home. Your on-site move project manager will communicate the specific details of the move at the beginning of the day to the moving crew to ensure nothing is overlooked. Your move manager will remain on-site at your home until the trucks are ready to depart for your new home. Our moving assistant will be at your new home prior to the moving truck's arrival. She will place paper on the counters to protect surfaces and lay mats on hardwood floors to protect them. She will place a room key at the entrance of the home to communicate the layout of the home, and she will place a room sign on each room. The room signs correspond to how we label each box. Your move manager will do a walkthrough with the moving crew of your home before anything is unloaded and will ensure that the floors and staircases are properly protected. We will ensure that furniture is placed in the proper location, that boxes are not touching the walls, and the labels face out so you can read what is in each box. We'll get right to work on moving day, unpacking the most important areas, such as the kitchen and bedrooms, so you can sleep in your home on moving day. We bring folding tables to provide extra horizontal surface for unpacking the kitchen and grouping like items together before we put anything away, so that your space isn't just unpacked, it's organized for the way you will use each area of your home. Not enough space in certain areas? No problem. We have solutions to maximize the space for the short term, and we can procure the product needed, keeping your budget in mind. We build shelving from the bottom up, ensuring the exact amount of space needed at a placement that makes sense for frequency of use. Whenever possible, we have measurements of your new spaces prior to moving day so that we can make some purchases in advance, which help to speed up organizing all areas of your home and putting the finishing touches in some areas. We make your new house a home by hanging pictures and arranging your decor so you can start living in your home right away. Fresh flowers are an added touch we like to leave behind. Before our job is complete, we give you a tour of your new organized spaces so you know where everything is. Labeling is also something we can do to help make it easier to maintain. The kitchen is the hub of your home where organization is key. The junk drawer can even be organized. The utensil drawers are organized for how you prepare meals, and we procure just the right product to maximize the space and allow easy access in each drawer. Everyday serving pieces are easily accessible, and we adjust the height of shelves to maximize the space. No more digging to the back of your cabinets to find the spice you need. We have creative ideas of how you can easily reach everything without a step stool. The everyday dishes are perfectly placed near the dishwasher. A furniture plan is created to ensure we know which pieces are moved to the exact locations in your new home, or if they will be sold or donated. At the end of move day, we'll ensure your beds are made so you can have sweet dreams, and rest assured you can start living right away in your new home. Welcome to your new organized home.